Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Supriyadi, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Kementerian Agama Mata Pelajaran Umum tahun 2025 dengan nomor induk mahasiswa 25302626. Saya dari Madrasah Aliyah Baitur Rahman. Hari ini, hari Selasa 26 Agustus 2025, saya akan mengajar bahasa Inggris dengan materi Expression of asking for and giving opinions. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks. Okay, great. Let's check the attendance first. Please say present if you are here. I will call you one by one. Ainun Jaria.
Present.
Yes. Aulia.
Present.
Azizah Zahratus Solihah.
Present.
Muhammad Saman.
Present.
Nadira.
Present.
Najwa Agustina.
Present.
Nur Aida.
Present.
Nurmana Isila.
Present.
Rifan Fadila. Okay, thanks. Okay, so before starting our lesson today, let's say by reciting Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Now, I want to show to you a video. Please watch carefully.
I'm telling the company's employees that some of their jobs will be replaced by AI, and that Amazon's workforce is expected to shrink in the coming years as AI's role expands. Our chief business correspondent, Rebecca Jarvis, is here with the story. I don't know how good of news this is for, physical employees.
Right, I mean, good morning, Michael. Hey, guys, and this is big news, and it's unsettling news for a lot of people listening. In a message to employees, Andy Jassy, the CEO of Amazon, writing that the tech giant will need fewer people doing some of the jobs that are being done today and more people doing other types of jobs, and that Amazon will reduce its total corporate workforce in the next few years. Amazon is already using generative AI to do everything from improving inventory placement to forecasting demand to cutting costs and delivery times. You experience some of this as a customer, but in the future, according to Jassy, those AI agents will be teammates. The technology is now your teammate in the future.
Well, it sounds like this is a growing trend, though.
It is, and we've heard this now from Meta, we've heard it from Microsoft. Like I said, it is deeply unsettling as a human to hear it, but learning how these tools actually work and can help you in your work and life is a huge advantage right now.
That's true. All good points there.
Thanks.
Okay, class. What do you think about this topic? AI or artificial intelligence is replacing human jobs. Saman, what's your opinion?
I think AI can be useful, but the more that it will make many people lose their jobs.
Okay, good, Saman. You use, I think, very well. And anyone has a different opinions? How about you, Aziza?
In my opinion, AI is a great invention. It can help humans work faster and more efficiently, but we must use it wisely.
Interesting thought, Aziza. Thank you. See, you all have opinions. Today, our goal is to learn how to express these opinions properly in English. We will learn about the expression of asking for and giving opinion. At the end of the lesson, you will work in groups and you can choose how you want to show your understanding. Maybe by making a comic, a podcast, or performing a role play. Okay. Now, everyone, we will explore the concept in different ways based on your learning preferences. I have divided you become three groups: Group A, B, and C. For Group A, I will mention the names. Group A, Muhammad Saman, Humairah, Azizah, Nurma, and Fatimah Zahra. For Group B, Nadira, Najwa Agustina, Nur Aida, Rifan Fadila, Ainun Jariah, and group C, Aulia, Mahdalina, Dina Makira, Hairul Anwar, and Fitria. Okay. Please sit down based on your groups. Okay. This is group A, group B, and group C. This is group A, group B, and group C. Okay. For group A, I will show to you a video about the expression about asking for and giving opinion. Please write the expression of this video.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Okay, and for group B, please answer the question. Fill in the blanks. Please write what's the record say on the recording, and please write the answer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The podcast about expression about asking for and giving opinions. Please answer this. Fill in the blanks. Thank you. Okay, and for group C, please highlight or give the underlines of the expression asking for and giving opinions from level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay. Okay. This is the paper. Please answer. I will put again. Okay. This is the level 1, level 2, and level 3. Please give the highlight. Okay. Thank you. Okay, group A. Okay, you have watched the video about expression and asking for and giving opinions. What's the expression that you have found that you have found? Okay, what's the opinion?
First, I want to know what you think about it.
Okay, good. Thank you, Saman. What else?
I'll give it a try.
I will give it a try. Okay. Thank you. What else?
Well, I think the movie was beautiful.
Okay, good. What else?
I believe I've heard of it, but I haven't watched it yet. What do you think, James?
Okay, thank you, group A. Okay, we will go to the group B. Group A, you have listened the recording of podcast expression asking for and giving opinions. You have a paper fill in the blanks. Okay, what's the answer from number 1 to 5? Number 1, what's the answer? I wonder why it was voted the number 1 place in the world to live. Ah, that's right, correct. And how about number 2?
In my opinion.
In my opinion, number 2. But in my opinion, Canada seems like the best place to live. Okay, correct. How about number 3?
The summertime.
The summertime. Correct. The winter is cold. The summertime is perfect. Okay, good. Thank you. And how about number 4? I agree. Okay, correct. Number 4, I agree. Yes, I agree. I went there last year in the hotels and restaurants were very expensive. Correct. And how about number 5?
Good selection.
Great selection. Correct. There is a great selection of international foods. Thank you, Group B. I will go to the group C. Group C, you have level 1, level 2, and level 3. You have to highlight or underline the expression asking for and giving opinions. How about level 1? What's the expression that you have found? What do you think about? Correct.
In my opinion,
In my opinion, correct?
how about
How about?
do you like?
Do you like? I think, correct. Level 1, correct, that's the expression. And how about level 2?
I would like to know what you think.
Okay, I'd like to know what you think, correct?
From
And
my perspective,
from my perspective, correct?
what's your take on
What's your take on
the way I see it?
the way I see it?
Do you think that's feasible?
Do you think that's festival?
Personally, I feel.
Personally, I feel, correct. That's the expression about giving opinion, asking for and giving opinions. And we will go to the level 3. How about level 3? What's the expression that you have found, Aulia?
I'm curious to hear your thoughts on.
I'm curious to hear your thoughts on, correct?
If you ask me, it argued that.
If you ask me, I arrange that, okay? Argue that, okay, thank you.
I'm of the opinion that.
I'm of the opinion that, good.
Where do you stand on that particular angle?
Where do you stand on that particular angle? Thank you. What else?
I'm not entirely confident.
I am not entirely convinced. Okay, correct?
You believe the process is as important as the outcome.
You believe the process as important as the outcome. Thank you. That's correct. That's the expression from level 1, level 2, and level 3. Correct. Thank you. Okay, time's up for the exploration. Thank you. Give applause for you all. We will make ice breaking. Let's do ice breaking for the rest. Please stand up. Stand up. We will sing together about Texas. We always sing about this song. Okay, you have memorized this song, but here when I say I go to school, I'm going to school. I have gone to school. I have been going to school. For the lyric number 4. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing together. Ready? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I go to school. I'm going to school. I have gone to school. I have been going to school. I went to school. I was going to school. I had gone to school. I had been going to school. I will go to school. I will be going to school. I will have gone to school. I will have been going to school. I would go to school. I would be going to school. I would have gone to school. I would have been going to school. Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay. Now I will give you exercise and for group A, this is the article about fast fashion. Let's discuss about this topic. All of you have to discuss about this topic, about the article. Okay. Okay, I will check back later. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will go to the group B. Group B, I will give you some cards, roll cards. Please talk about the card. You have to convince what. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please select the card and talk about the expression asking for and giving opinions, and you have to convince your friends. Okay, thank you. And for group C, I will give you the picture. Okay. This is the picture. Please make some sentences about students bringing cell phones to school. Okay, all of you have made some sentences about this picture. I will come back to you. Please make some sentences. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
That new article on fast fashion was intense with 10%. Global carbon emission figure is just staggering.
I read it, but from my perspective, it's still about accessibility. We're students, fast fashion is what we can actually afford.
But it was real cost. I strongly believe we can ignore the labor, inflation, and cost low prices.
Yeah.
Money is everything.
But it sent a powerful signal to the United States.
Yeah. Look at this picture. Students bringing cell phone to school. Aulia, how about this picture?
I think student headphones for study, but something for playing games.
Okay, correct. Good. You use I think. Good. Thank you. And please try to make some sentences like I believe. What else? The another expression of asking for and giving opinions. Okay, all of you have made some sentences about this picture. I will come back to you. Please make some sentences. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Group B, how's it going? Group B, Nadira, what's your World Cup?
My coach says I have to learn to choose my friend that online games are good for learning English. My partner disagrees. We need to create a shared dialogue.
Okay, thank you. Perfect. You use I think, but in another opinion or another expression, you try another expression like I believe. What's your take on? Like what else? Okay, another expression. Okay, thank you. I will check back in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, Group A.
That the job is making continuous choices.
Alright, when you put it that way, it sounds like losing battle in more like complex games, but not everyone.
Okay, thank you. You have discussed about the article, the unraveling of fast fashion, a global performing in 2025. You have to make pro and cons about this topic. How about this? For instance, from my perspectives. Okay, Ziza.
Well, sir, I was just about to say that fast fashion is affordable. I personally believe the environmental cost is too high.
Brilliant. Okay, keep up the critical thinking. Okay, give applause for your. Okay, everyone. We will go to the final activity. Okay, we will make some products. For Group A, please draw a comic. I will prepare you. Please picture. Please draw the paper using this pencil or these colors using your opinion. Okay, draw a comic and using speech bubble. The speech bubble contains about the expression asking for and giving opinions. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, please. Now I will go to the Group B. Group B, please record using this phone. about the expression asking for and giving opinions, like a podcast. Is talk about the topic using expression asking for and giving opinions. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, thank you. And for group B, you will do role play. You will perform role play. Please make a dialogue and talk about the expression asking for and giving opinions. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write some sentences about the expression. Thank you. Okay, group A. How about the draw that you have drawn? Okay, good drawing. Make sure the space below clearly show who is asking for and who is giving the opinions. Okay, thank you. Good. Okay, you can continue. Thank you.
Coklat kak. Ini seperti ini.
Okay, thank you, group B. Good. Volume. Try to sound natural, like you're really having conversation. Okay. Good. Thank you. And make sure who is asking for and giving the opinions. Okay, I will go to the group C.
Yes, I do. It's better to operate. It's for or on group.
I agree with that. I think it is a necessary role to make all the smart.
Okay, good. Mahda, your expression is very convincing, and Aulia, great improvement on your confidence. Remember your lines and the gesture. You're doing great. Thank you. Okay, and I want you to show your product and please present your product. For group A about the comic, about the expression asking for and giving opinions. Okay, please group A. The time is yours. Please present your product. Okay.
Okay everyone, we are from group A. We want to present a comic that we draw. So the comic contains a person asking for and giving opinion. Let me show the speech bubble of this dialogue and this comic. A question of asking for and giving opinion.
What do you think about K-pop? And it's very comical. It's commercial, but performances is amazing. It's amazing.
18.3 thought of Cartier on no pop pain.
And easy about the opinions on Kupang.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for group 1, group A. Okay, we are go to the group B. Please present your recording. Does it have recording?
We formed Group B while placing the result of our podcast about online games.
Alright, Najwa, let's start. What do you think about online games for students? I think they are a good way to unwind and develop strategic thinking. I see your point, but I believe they can be very distracting. Many students may spend too much time playing and end up neglecting their homework and studies. The risk of education is quite high. That's a good point. Addiction is definitely a concern we can ignore. However, from my perspective, online games can also foster teamwork and communication skills, especially in multiplayer games where you have to collaborate with others to win. I get that, but what about the negative impact on health? Staring at a screen for hours can make eye sick, and sitting for too long is not good for your body. Plus, it makes it space to fetch interaction with family and friends. You're right, health should be a priority. I guess the key is balance. It's not about avoiding games altogether, but about managing our time wisely. We can enjoy the benefits of games while still having time for exercise, studying, and socializing in the real world. I balanced approach. I can agree with that. So, it's not the game itself that is the problem, but how many our team ready that offer consolation. Exactly. I'm glad we could discuss this.
Okay, thank you, Group B. Good recording. Your recording is very good. The sounds like natural, and the expression is clear. Thank you. Let's give applause for Group B. Okay, now we will go to the Group C. Group C will perform a role play. Please, role play. From Group C. Okay, please. Kasih here Magda and Aulia, for example. Okay, please talk about the dialogue about you have make role-play.
So, Wanda, what do you think about the neural-only mobile phones during class hours?
Well, in my opinion, it's a really good role. Sometimes the sound of notification can be very distracting, and it breaks our focus during the lesson.
That's a good point. I think it helps you to concentrate more on them the teacher is explaining. But what about emergency? What if your parents need to contact you for something urgent?
I see your points. However, I believe the school has a solution for that. In my opinion, our parents can always call schools when of it, and the staff will pass the message to us. That's why.
Ah, you're right. I didn't think about that. So you completely agree with the role.
Yes, I do. From my point of view, it's rather a better learning environment for our young, for our own good.
I agree with you then. I think it's a necessary role to make our classes more effective.
Okay, you have finished about the role play. Thank you. Okay, Group C, good perform. You have made a role play. And thank you very much. Okay, give applause for Group C. Okay, time's up. You have worked hard. Thank you very much. Now I want you to show your understanding by coming in front of the class, perform dialogue about expression asking for and giving opinions. Okay, who wants to come forward? Raise your hand. Yeah, Nadira and partner. Okay, Nadira and partner, please come forward to the class, and the stage is yours. Okay, now.
Hey Aida, my class says I have to focus with this online games are good for learning English. What's your take on this?
I don't really agree. I believe games just for fun and can be discussion.
That's true sometimes, but many online games have a lot of English, dialogue, and instructions. They have vocabulary and listening skills.
Maybe but apply just a one. They don't really focus on daily grade.
Not always. Some games even require you to chat with international players. That's real fun, like speaking with native speakers.
I see your point. I guess if I said daring why, just could have I bit.
Exactly. It depends on how we use them. With the right attitude, games can be a control for learning.
Okay, thank you. Fantastic performance. That was a very clear and fluent dialogue. Class, what's your opinion about their performance?
I think their pronunciation was very clear and they used a good variety of pronunciation. Expression.
Okay, I agree. Thank you, Azizan, and thank you, Aida and Nadira. So to wrap up our lesson today, what are the key things we have learned?
We learned how to ask for opinion and give opinion. So, like you say, what do you think and I think?
Exactly, Aulia. And we also learn more advanced phrases like, in my point of view, I strongly believe that the most important things is to state your opinion respectfully and be open to hearing our disputes. You all showed great teamwork and critical thinking today. I'm very proud of you. Thank you. Give applause for Al. Okay. For our next meeting, we will move to a new topic, narrative text. Please read a little bit about it at home. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your active participation. Have a great day. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.